Hello, thanks for joining us on CY Central. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Mike Brookins, and we've got some warnings to pass along this evening up north and northeast of Onondaga County. Lake effect snow warning, and this goes through Monday, in fact, for Oswego, Jefferson, Lewis, northern Oneida, and now also northern Herkimer County, all under warnings for the lake effect snow. And it's a very localized event. You get down into even southern portions of Oswego County, we're not going to find much snowfall, and northern Jefferson County should be mainly dry as well. Snowfall reports, these coming in from the daytime and the late last night. 6 inches in Mapleview, Cazenovia 5.5, Fulton 5 inches, Westdale 5 inches, Parrish 5 inches. Though these numbers need to really be freshened and updated. We're getting reports of anywhere from 6 to 8 inches in Pulaski already. That's just to the north. So I'm assuming some of these Oswego County and western Oneida County numbers are jumping quickly now that the sun is down and the snow is coming down moderate levels. Only about an inch at the Syracuse airport. So yeah, about an inch, 0.9 inches, 1.4 now our seasonal total. That's below average. We should be up 6 inches higher than that, my friends. 30 was the low last night on the almanac. We made it up to 36, a chilly day for sure. That was 8 degrees below average. Let's break it down. Let's talk about what's going to be taking place for tonight. Lake effect snow's piling up east of Lake Ontario. The reason being, we've got a wind coming in out of the west. This snow could be heavy at times, even some thunders possible. Going into Monday, light snow showers, and all this week chilly with some snowfall around. Here's the futurecast, and we'll get into the snowfall forecast maps ahead. We've got a weak system pressing in from the west, and that's giving us some isolated light flurries. Not a big concern. A lot really going on. Lake effect also coming in off of Lake Erie, giving us a chance for a couple of flurries. And then lake effect snow pounding areas here at 2 o'clock in the morning east of Lake Ontario. We're specifically talking southern Jefferson, central northern Oswego, southern and central Lewis County, and northern Oneida County. So that area right there, almost due east of the lake, getting the lake effect snow. There's even possibility of thunder with it. You can get that. If you live up there, you know what I'm talking about, right? And then as we get towards morning hours, I think the snow does weaken somewhat. It's also going to come a little closer to Syracuse as this front presses in. Chilly start to the day. The bands could go as close as just northeast of the city of Syracuse. So if you're in the northern suburbs of Onondaga County, you may get some of this steadier light lake effect snow tomorrow morning. The light snow and snow showers, though, really does break up towards 1 o'clock to flurries, and it moves east of Lake Ontario. Not much showing up in our futurecast there as our sky turns partly cloudy, though the lake effect snows rejuvenate east of the lake Monday night going into early Tuesday. New snow tonight on top of what you've already seen. In the light blue areas, 1 to 4, 4 to 8 here in the dark blue, and as much as a foot over the white areas. It's going to weaken tomorrow, come a little bit further to the south. So we're thinking from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday, 1 to 4 inches when you get northeast of the city of Syracuse, around the Route 31 corridor north. Now, it's probably closer to the 1 to 2 inches here in Syracuse, but when you get up into sections of eastern Oswego County, northwestern Oneida, southern Lewis County, 3 or 4 inches possible. Most of that falling by noon on Monday. Not too much in the afternoon as it's going to be shifting and it's going to be weaker. For tonight, though, the snow coming down with pretty good intensity east of the lake from about 10 o'clock at night through 2 or 3 in the morning, and then things start to get a little bit nicer, a little less heavy snow, weaker snows, lighter snows towards late night hours as we drop down to a chilly level of 29. Outside of that lake effect band, flurries maybe an inch or less, and those taper to isolated light flurries. The lake effect light snow showers and snow moves northeast of Syracuse for the morning. We'll get up to 38 tomorrow, getting some partial sunshine. Still in the 30s for Tuesday. We'll hit 40 on Wednesday.